Scoring 40 out of 40 in other subject like mathematics, physics, geography and etc. is easy, but scoring 40 out of 40 in chemistry is like equivalent to impossible. As I hope you are doing awesome right there, and this is one of the special video for all the ICSE class 10 aspirant, those who are going to give the examination in the year of 2021-2022, that yes, it is a correct statement that scoring 40 out of 40 in other subject is easy. Yes, it is easy in mathematics, it is easy in physics, but scoring 40 out of 40 in chemistry class 10 ICSE in the term 1, in the semester 1 is not, I cannot say it is impossible, but it will be a challenging one. So that's the reason I have come while taking one of the best strategy, that how you should prepare for the semester 1, how you should be preparing in a smart way, in a well manner, right? While there are having many students, many toppers right there, that those who are going inside the book and reading, reading is good and reading from the inside is good, but reading in a smart way will play a vital role in the semester 1. Yes children, reading the books, everything in a smart way will be playing a vital role for you all people. Let me stick to the topic, how you people will be scoring 40 out of 40 in chemistry in the first semester in the ICSE class 10 2022. Here we goes, that as you know very well that 6 chapters are coming, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Starting from a periodic classification ending with the electrolysis, and there are having many in-text question, many exercise question, many exercise question will be there, right? And many in-text questions will be there, and in which children, and which if we will calculate it, if we will make a total of all the exercise question, all the in-text question, it will be more than 300 approx. It will be more than 300, right? It will be more than 300 in all the subject. It will be equivalent to 400. You will cross after 400, but I am taking as assuming. I am talking about the conscience. Conscience. If you are following any other book, all right, together with any other book, there also you will be having many questions. Let me take, you are having 300 questions, and in a semester 1, 40 questions they will be asking you. That means in the exam 40 question will be coming, 40 MCQs. Children, here not only my strategy, but also the entire strategy is saying that you will be getting the question from 1 to 25 number of question you will be getting 1 to 25 number of question from exercise and in-text question. Now you might be thinking, how it is possible? How come I am sure? How it is possible? How come I am sure? See children, generally how ICSE, CBSE, any examination controller, how they prepare question, they doesn't see a topper and prepare question, they see the entire class and prepare question. Generally the principal of a school, that doesn't he or she doesn't look to any one child, he or she used to look at the entire school, teachers, school, students, IMAs, many more. He or she used to look entire thing. Similarly, in ICSE, those who are making questions, he or she will also look after all the students. See, imagine the students who is weak in studies, never mind children, all right, the student, those who are weak in studies, those who cannot even pass in exam, but they need to pass in exam, they need to give 60%, they need to give 70%. But imagine if the controller will make the question in a very tough way. Yes, the topper who is looking after this video, he or she can also not pass in exam. If I will be in the same way I have explained in the last video, if I will be making questions, definitely none of you people can pass. So in the same way, the strategy is saying that the question will be coming in this way. 1 to 25 number of question will be easy children. 25 to 30 number of questions will be little bit 30 questions little bit moderate, I can say little bit moderate, and to 30 to 40 number of question will be challenging questions. See children, see the 1 to 25 number of question which you will be getting, very easy question, that will be direct question you will be getting from the in-text question and exercise questions. Yes, you will be getting every question from in-test and access. The moral of the story, I wanted to say, the real logical scenario I'm gonna discuss over here, that you people need to complete all the access question, all the in-test question with the complete details. If you want to score 40 out of 40, you people need to complete all the access questions, all the in-test questions without any error. Without any pause, you have to complete all the in-test question, all the access question, and all the year questions. All the year questions. You might be thinking, what are the year questions? Previous year questions. The question which has come from 2010 to 2020. 21 में तो एग्जाम हुआ ही नहीं, right? 2010 to 2020, what are the questions are there? You have to complete all the compulsory set. That means section A. Section A. Do not go for the section B. Section B पढ़ना कोई दरकार नहीं. Section A. That means complete all the year question of a section A. There will be getting many questions. Many questions you will be getting. Complete all the in-text and access questions. And most remember, do not forget to read the summary of the chapter. Do not forget to read the summary of the chapter. Summary, I mean to say that a recapitulate. Recapitulate means the recap, points to remember, which generally chapter number, which we can say lesson number 4, right? Generally, suppose let me say lesson number 4. In the lesson number 4, the last lesson number 4, for example, chemical bonding lesson number 2. When you will be going to the end of the chapter, you will be looking after the summary will be there. Do not scroll the particular summary, because summary में भी question पूछा जाता है, पूछा जाएगा. That means 1 to 25 will be easy, which will be coming from access to in-test question. 25 to 30 number of question will be asking for summary also. They may ask in the year questions, and the rest 10 marks will be challenging, means बुक के अंदर थोड़ा बहुत आएगा ही आएगा. एंड द बुक के अंदर, दैट मीन्स द बुक इनसाइड द बुक, द क्वेश्चन विच विल बी कमिंग, दैट इज फ्रॉम द टॉपर्स. That is from the top, those are coming first and second, right? So this is all about the scenario. That means moral of the story, access question, in-test question, it should be, you should mug it up. You should just by heart it each and everything. You should remember, means whatever, if anyone asks you anything, you should answer him or her at the same time. All right, in the same way you have to remember year question you have to do, and after that summary, and at the end MCQs which I will be providing. I will be providing near about 50 to 70 MCQs in per subject. You have to go after that. If it's your wish, I'm talking about your, I'm not saying that you should watch this and that, no, it's your wish. 50 MCQ I will be providing from the each chapter, not only in chemistry, in other subjects also. So you have to go with that, and 40 out of 40 is guarantee. 40 out of 40 is guarantee. And also ICC will launch sample paper shortly. I mean to say within 10 to 15 days. Once it come, I will let you know. I will let you notify it. And also we will be doing a lots of sample paper question also. This is all about the strategy. And definitely, if you are a backbencher, if you are an average student, you can come toppers. So complete this all the strategy and prepare hard. 2 months only left for your examination, if I'm not wrong. So this is all about, and coming stronger next with the MCQ session. Thank you. Cheers.